Hello and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing a bit of sort of light restoration on my car. So the car is 26 years old, so obviously a lot of the plastics and trim inside the cabin as well have basically faded over time. So I'm going to be using its Meguiar's Ultimate Black Plastic Restorer. So I'm going to use that on it today and see how it goes really. First time me using this product. I have a quick look online and on the back as well how to sort of use it the best way possible. What I'm going to need first is some masking tape. I'm basically going to mask the painted bodywork away from the plastic, just so obviously if I don't get any on the plastic, because I believe it's sort of quite oily substance, and use obviously a cloth, so obviously dab it in. Okay, so I've now masked the back bumper. It should be just about enough, I guess, to get the edge in. Now I'm going to get a bit of product, put it on here, just like that, and then just gently do a sort of round pattern. Okay, we're on the front bumper now, and you can actually see the big difference between where I've gone and where I haven't gone. We just did the rear bumper, but I didn't notice any difference. But I can see it here, you can see the shine, so if I do this bit here, you'll see as I haven't bothered too much about masking it here, because I'm going to take these out and spray them black again, because this stuff is not really going to work on that. As you can see, it does make a big difference. You only need about a pea size, roughly, well maybe a bit more than a pea size, but about coin size I guess. And then you just I rate that. It's very good. So these bits are alright because they're not really plastic, they're sort of rubber I guess. And I'm not sure what this is either. It's weird. But it might polish up. Let's give it a go. Well, I'm not sure if you can see that because it's not really autofocusing properly, but it's sort of got this white on here, and I think the plastic restorer should get that back looking black. You can just about see it here. There you go. It's got like a white pattern on it all the way up, all the way around, so I'm going to try it on there and see how we get on. Okay, again I've just tried it to do it on this side panel, and you can see the difference. Quite drastic. So yes, as you can see, I'm not really sure why it hasn't worked on the back, but it's worked pretty much everywhere else. So I'm not quite sure what's gone wrong there, but anyway. I do rate the product, it's very, very good. So it's Meguiar's Black Plastic Restorer. Yeah, definitely worth the 12 quid. Yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for plenty more content just like this, and all sorts of other content coming very soon. Thank you very much. Bye.